Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to explain the working of selection sort. So the way selection sort work is that I'm just considering the first element as the minimum element. Okay, so this I'm just considering at minimum, and I'm going to search in the next position to the end for the minimum element. So I'm just searching 3, whether checking if 3 is less than 4. In that case I'm just changing that minimum values to 3, and I'm going for the next one as 1 is less than that minimum, that is this key. So I'm just again shifting that as 1 is lesser, so our minimum will be 1, and I'm going for the 13th one as 13 is not lesser. We will go for the next one, and this thing continues. So after that first whole iteration, it will be like 1 in the start, and we'll be changing the position like 3, 4, 13. It will be like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider the second element as a minimum element, and I'm going to do the same thing till the end. So for 13, if it is lesser than this, we are just swapping it, or else we are just checking for the next element. So this is as simple as it is. So I think you understood the working of selection sort. So let's go for the implementation. So this is the array of unsorted elements. So I'm going to sort these elements using selection sort. So as I said, for I in range of length of array minus 1. So first I'm just considering from the start, I'm going to loop till the end. So the first element I'm going to consider as minimum element. So the first position I'm going to consider as the minimum position. I will tell why I'm considering it as a position, not taking the element. So minimum, I'm just taking it as the position, and I'm going to start from this second element for j in range of I plus 1 from a length of array. Okay, so it will start from the second position, that is from 8 till the end this j loop runs. So I'm just comparing if array of j is less than array of min. In that case I'm going to consider min as j. Okay, if the 8 is lesser than 9, I'm going to change the minimum as j. So this position will be my minimum for now. So I'm just doing this from 8 till n, and I'm doing this in search of the minimum element. And at last, after this loop ends, I got the minimum element. It will be here, no? So minimum will be this position, so I have to swap it. So what I'm going to do is, we have to consider one more thing. If minimum not equal to I, suppose our minimum will be on the first position itself, so in that case there is no need for swapping, or else what we are going to do is we are swapping array of minimum with array of I. Okay, array of I means this current position is equal to array of I comma array of min. That's all. Let's see whether it's working. Yeah, 1 3 5 7 8 9. So I think you understood the idea behind selection sort and how we can implement it. Thank you. We will see again in next video.